In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Teamspace in Notion if you're no longer using a specific Teamspace or you simply want to keep your Notion workspace more organized. Leaving a Teamspace is a quick process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to your Notion page and make sure you're inside the workspace where the Teamspace is located. It helps to start from the main Notion interface so you can easily access the navigation controls in the upper left area of the screen. If you're signed into multiple workspaces, just take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're on the right Notion page, look to the top left corner of the screen and find your Teamspace name. There should be a drop-down attached to it. Click on that Teamspace name drop-down to open the available options. This menu is where Notion shows workspace-related settings and actions, so if you've never used it before, this is the place you'll usually return to for management options like switching or adjusting access. After the drop-down opens, look for the three dots next to your email address. Click those three dots to open an additional menu. This menu contains more account-specific actions for that workspace or Teamspace. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Notion sometimes updates its interface, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the menu linked to your account within that Teamspace area. From there, click on Leave Workspace. That is the option that removes you from the Teamspace or workspace, depending on how it is configured in Notion. Keep in mind that this option may not always appear. For example, if it's your own workspace and you're the only person in it, Notion may not allow you to leave it in the usual way. In that case, the options simply won't be available. Before you click, it's a good idea to make sure you won't lose access to any pages, databases, or shared information you still need. If anything is important, review it first or confirm you have the right permissions elsewhere. And that's it. Once you select the leave option, you'll be removed from that Teamspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Notion setup a little more smoothly.